everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today for you I have my October diamond painting kit up and wrap up. So it will be in two parts, but it'll be in the same video. First I'm going to show you the paintings that I have kitted up and that I want to try and finish before 2024. The first one here is this small little kit from Diamond Art Club. It is the tie-dye French Bulldog. It's by Peggy Collins. And it is a 9 by 12 inch painting with 43 colors and 4 ABs. This is a good size snack kit for you to do, and if you like it in centimeters, it's a 22.9 by 30.8 centimeter kit. It is a round drill, so this one, with it being a snack size, it will also work up very, very quickly. Next, I have this painting from P.A.M.'s diamond painting. It is called the Little Match Girl. It is by Jasmine Beckett Griffith. Evie, come. Oops, sorry. Evie, come here. It is a square drill. There is 40 colors. There is 4 ABs, and it is a 45 by 50 centimeter painting. Next we have Twins. This is from P.A.M.'s diamond painting. I don't know the artist. I think it was a stock image, so it was for public use. And it does have 4 special drills, and there's 39 colors. It is a round, and it is a 45 by 60 centimeter painting. Next up, we have this one. This one is from Jaded Gem Shop. It is a photo negative, so you're not going to be able to see this one quite as well as you might the other ones. Jaded Gem Shop does do all hand charting on it, and it is a square drill, and when you order square drills from her, she does do a photo negative on the canvas. This is a 45 by 60 centimeter painting. It's by Magnum Duty, and it is called The Painter. So if you are familiar with Sarah J. Maas, the author, she wrote the Agatar series. The Painter is supposed to be Farah from that, or the Painter is Farah from that series. There is 46 colors, and you can add on special drills for Jaded Gem Shop's paintings, but I did not. And I can't wait to work on this one. And then my last one, which is a big one. This is by Diamond Art Club. This is Medusa by Christopher Lavelle. It is a 27.6 by 39 inch painting, or 70 centimeters by 99 centimeters. And there is 20 colors, and there is 2 ABs. With this kit right here, I know I probably won't finish before 2024. I hope to at least start it, but I am going to be adding special drills, and when that time comes for this painting, I will do an unboxing of the special drills that I'm going to be ordering for her, and I will show you where they will be placed. So that is all I have kitted up right now. I don't want to have anything else kitted up unless I finish all 5 paintings that I have. And next up we will be talking about my whips my whips and finishes. I'm hoping to finish a painting tonight. I am filming this on Monday, October 30th. So if I can finish a painting tonight, we'll have one finished for October and one WIP going into November. So I will see you guys here shortly with those kits. Alright, you guys, so here is part 2. This is going to be the monthly review page. And this panel right here is Make a Wish, Take a Bite. So it's in a Snow White painting. It's by Mandy Manzano. Diamond Art Club did have it. I don't think they have it any longer. And it's a 42 centimeter by 106 centimeter, or a 16.5 inch by 41.7. It is a square. As you can see, I have a little over half done, and I just have, I think, like 3 rows that I counted left. These are the old drills from Diamond Art Club, so they're not the best, and it's just taking me forever to work on. I started this one, I believe, in June of 2023, but we were away a lot this summer, so I didn't have a lot of time to work on it, and I've been working on it here and there, but it has definitely been a work in progress for this one. I have to be in the mood. There isn't a lot of line blocking. It's a lot of confetti, but that is Mandy Manzano for you. But I do really like how this one is turning out. I didn't change anything on it, so it stayed the same. And then I have one more WIP going into November, and I have it right here on my table, so I'm just gonna move the camera really quickly. Okay, so I do have this painting right here. It is Fairy Faces, Faces of Fairy 112. It is by Jasmine Beckett Griffith, I think. Yeah. And this is, I believe, yeah, this is a 12 by 12 painting. As you can see, I am almost done. I'm working on it, so that's why you see some of it exposed, because I have been working on it. And there was 49 colors. There is, let's see, 3 ABs and 3 crystals on this one. So I hope to have both of these paintings done for you for the month of November, but I am also going to show you what I plan on working on next. So you should have seen this in the beginning, but I am going to try to do this tie-dye French Bulldog from Diamond Art Club by Peggy Collins, because it is a round, and then if I have to do, or not half, I think it's this one. And then I don't want to start a big project for a square, so after I'm done with Make a Wish, Take a Bite, I will be doing the Little Match Girl by Jasmine Beckett Griffith, which is a 40 by 50 from P.A.M.'s Dynamite Painting. So I really hope you guys liked this video. I will definitely be checking in with you guys again at the end of November. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, make sure you hit the subscribe bell, or the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And leave me a comment, tell me what you think, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.